friends, it is Running Kimono, and this is my Walgreens haul, all of this beautiful merchandise. Believe it or not, I think the only thing that really came out of pocket was the Hungry Jack. I had to pay a quarter for this, so $1.25 for all of this, which is pretty amazing if you think about it. So I'm gonna give you the nitty gritty of what I did and how the deals are working. And then we have one little cheapie over at Meijer I'll share with you. Weather report for you guys, and happy Easter. Beautiful day out here today. It's like 50 degrees. And we have our little runway right here. Pumpkin wishes everybody a happy Easter, including my mom. Okay, so first thing that we're gonna talk about is a free 8x10 photo. So you would just order this through your phone and have it to pick up at your store at Walgreens, and use the code Easter8x10 and you'll get one of these for free. It's one per store card. This is one of our outdoor kitties. His name is Spence, and he's just a little cutie. So I thought, you know, I love this photo my husband took of him, and I thought I would get a print of it. So free photo. Deal that's absolutely fantastic is with the Compeed. This guy is $6.99, and that is a price that's taking place right up until April the 24th. We have a $5 manufacturer coupon from the March 28th inserts. So I paid $1.99 for this, and then IBOTTA is giving back a $5 rebate. So it makes it free plus a $3.01 moneymaker. So that is really fantastic. And yes, you can use your Walgreens cash if you're just buying this on its own to earn more, to earn that IBOTTA rebate. It's totally fine to do it that way. Okay, so the next item that we have is the Hungry Jack potatoes, and this is found in the dollar spot, so it's exactly $1. Maybe if you can't find the dollar spot, it'll be on an end cap or an actual section, but maybe ask at your store. These are exactly $1. IBOTTA has a 75-cent rebate that you can do up to 5 times, so it makes them a quarter each. How fantastic is this? And if you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, you can absolutely do that. Hey guys, so every time in my videos where I'm like, you know, a 3 back when you spend 35 is chintzy, I'm not doing it. Well, I did it. I guess I'm like the greatest liar out here on YouTube, because I always say I'm not going to do something and then I inherently go and do it. So this is my basket, and it's $35 in merchandise. Of course, I had to grab a Scott for $5. We have this $1.25 IVC, so it drops it down to $3.75. If you watched the video I made last night, there's going to be some changes, so I'm not sure if these are going to be jumping up to $5.50 or what's going to happen, but this toilet paper will be jumping in price sooner than later, which I don't really like. Who does? But anyhow, got one of those guys, and I'm going to try and get a bunch of these before June rolls around. Please watch that video if you want all the information. $5, subtracting the IVC, it's $3.75, and we're just going to go with that number. And then these guys are $4 each. Now I had a 5 off of 3 to utilize for this deal, so that's why I had to grab that extra one. So at $4 a piece, that's 12. Subtracting that 5 off of 3, you get back a $4 register reward, and IBOTTA is giving back $1 back for each, so it would make it completely for free. But for a $35 basket, it's really great to bulk up. And then I grabbed a bunch of Shea Moisture because I could not make a deal work with the Herbal Essence Bio Renew, because there was only 2 of these, and these are ringing up $3.99 a piece. They're not BOGO 50% off this week, so a little wrench in my plans, but I still made something happen. These guys are 2 for $5, and these are $3.99 a pop, so $5 and $15.96, which would give me that $20. And when you spend $20 on Shea Moisture, you get back $5 in Walgreens cash. Pairing it with 2 of these coupons from the March 28th insert. So it just took up a big part of the basket. So for the Shea Moisture, the 3 Oral-B's, and the Scott, I subtracted the IVC from that, guys, and I had my $3 when you spend $35 loaded. So I had a 5 off of 3 digital for the Oral-B toothbrushes, and then I presented 2 of these guys. So I had to pay $21.71 cash bills out of pocket. So credit card, debit card, I had to pay for the balance. I couldn't use my Walgreens cash. And then I did get back $8 of Walgreens cash, $5 for buying this, and then $3 for buying $35 of merchandise. And then I got back $3 from IBOTTA for this, and I also qualified for a weekend bonus, and I got another $3. So I got $6 back from IBOTTA. And then Fetch Rewards gave me back a whole bunch of points for the Scott and the Shea and Moisture. So factoring in that this was a $3 moneymaker, the $3 for this haul, it's basically free after the IBOTTA thing. So really fantastic to get, like, you know, all of this for free. It's kind of amazing. So now I had one $4 register reward when I bought 2 of these. And I really wanted to get this chip deal because these are 3 for $6 or $2 per bag. If you consider at most stores it's $3.79 for 1 bag of Doritos, to pay $2, that is a gift. So I grabbed 3 bags of the Cool Ranch, so that's $6 on the nose. Are you guys team Cool Ranch or team that zesty one with the cheese? I'm like a Cool Ranch girl. So $6 for this. And apparently these, they had another case of these. They still had even more of these, like little Pringles. So I grabbed 10 of them for $1.30. They're on clearance for 13 cents. So for the chips and the Pringles, it was a total of $7.30. I presented the one $4 register reward from this. And then I also threw in $3 of Walgreens cash. I paid 30 cents for all of this. And with your Fetch Rewards app, extra points for the Doritos as well. Guys, so the next deal that we're going to talk about is with the Icy Hot. Unfortunately, I could not do this deal because they did not have enough product in store, so I could not do that. This is with the curbside pickup, and in store, it's a lot more than the curbside pickup price, so it is more advantageous to do that. So you would order 2 products priced at the $5.99 neighborhood. Now this digital coupon showed up last week, which is an 8 off of 2, so please make sure that you have this guy loaded to your Walgreens account. So looking at the math for this one, we're grabbing 2 items that are $5.99 a pop, so that's $11.98. The 8 off of 2 digital coupon will come off, along with type in the promotion code SENIOR20 to save an extra 20% off, which is 80 cents. Your out of pocket will be $3.18. If you wish to use some Walgreens cash, go for it. Any $3 register reward will print, so hopefully the store clerk will put it in the bag for you for your curbside pickup. I know a lot of people are getting that register reward. I've been seeing it all over Instagram, so good luck with this one. Unfortunately, my store, I could not line it up perfectly, but I know a lot of you can probably get in on this deal to get this very cheap Icy Hot. Fantastic little deal just to upcycle, you know, register rewards into other deals. It's just really fantastic and a very good Sunday over at Walgreens. And if you wanted to postpone your trip because you're celebrating Easter or busy with the family, this is definitely you know, you could do these deals on like a Tuesday or a Monday. It's not like burning deals with IBOTTA or anything like that, but very delighted with what I got. And hopefully you guys are scoring a bunch of deals over at Walgreens. The last little thing that we're going to talk about is over at Meijer, and Meijer is predominantly in the Midwest. This is a new product by Klondike, and it's basically a milkshake in this pouch. And I actually tried one of these last night, and they are very good. Like, I was shocked how much I enjoyed it. So it's basically like a little twist thing. You twist it off, you let it thaw for 3 minutes, and then you can like It's like sucking a milkshake through a straw. It's a weird sensation, but it's kind of cool. So this guy is $5.99. Fetch Rewards has 4,250 points, which is basically like $4.25. It makes it $1.74 after everything is said and done. You can do it twice per receipt, and it's at various stores. Meijer is one of them included. So please look at the fine print of what store. At the very least, guys, I would absolutely sign up for the Fetch Rewards account. They often have items that are like almost free, or stuff that's more progressive, like the Scott, where you buy so much and then you get something back. And even with Doritos, like stuff that we buy all the time, you get points towards gift cards, and it's a bit of magic. So that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.